Hi guys, Nicholas and I, right there, we're going to be seeing you can make their face the reddest by laying upside down the longest, making the blood rush to their face. So I'm just chilling here for a little bit like this.
87% of the crowd is not there.
Oh, my eyes hurt a bit.
It was the 20-year-old crowd that you said was texting.
It's fun. How's your face doing? What's up? Dude, my face red? Is mine? Kind of. There's a bit. Maybe we should stop the video. This is kind of stupid. This is fun. I like this. It hurts. Dude, this is fun. Just put your hands out a bit. Oh, yeah. It hurts. This is fun. Dude, my voice is getting really high. Ugh. Dude, my face hurts. Mine's numb. We're upside down. Okay, you guys can comment on YouTube and tell us whose face is the reddest. Okay, try. Bye, guys. See ya.